back in a minute, I'm kidding, I'm in it to win it. These casuals, they ain't gon' get it, cause I'm on a mission. Just listen to these thoughts that I'm spitting. I'll light a cigar when I'm sipping.
Hey, look, Chop got to stay around your crib for a while, homie. That's cool.
Yeah, man, it's cool. It's the best place for him anyway.
Like it ain't nobody out there gunning for your black ass. Bullshit, nigga. Just take care of it, man, alright?
Alright, I got you, dog.
More than me making that money is funny. We stacking them honeys, just doing the things that we wanted. Cause passion is purpose. I know that it's worth it. I do what I love and the cash is converting. I hate all the haters, but they do me favors. If only they knew that their comments make paper. They gone like they favor this beats with my neighbor. The bass is so loud that their house is in danger. My eyes on the prize and my passion don't lie. If I want it, I get it, my vibration high. Yeah, I live till I die and I'll do it just right. Do you like how the plaques on my walls hit the lights? And I'm just a white boy, yeah, I get it. But fuck it, I like rap, so I spit it. Yeah, I'm just a white boy with some rhythm. This beat in my system, I made it, no kidding. That shit it be hating, keep stacking my winnings again and again, like I'm making commission. This life's an addiction, addicted to winning. Each day got me grinning, yeah, straight from beginning. Yeah, I get what I want, I get what I see. I picture my life and how it's gonna be. Yeah, I get what I want, I get what I need. I know that I'm right where I'm destined to be. Yeah, I get what I want, I get what I see. I picture my life and how it's gonna be. Yeah, I get what I want, I get what I need. I know that I'm right where I'm destined to be. Yeah, I live what I'm dreaming, I think it, believe it. I get what I want and I get when I need it. I'm ready to work and I'm here to receive it. And I'll be the first to be grateful, believe it. I know what I want and I know that I'll get it. Set my intentions and never forget them, cause my greatest weapon is always direction. I give it attention, then I'm gonna get it. It's not how they see it, that's only perception. Glass half empty, yeah, that brain need correction. I see the world and my life is a blessing. It's all is perfection, I see the connection. I'm right where I'm supposed to be, living so openly. Grateful for everything, feel it emotionally. It's in my soul, I can feel it so potently. Ready for more that the universe throws. It's all a reflection, so what you projecting. You get what you give, so you better address it. I just wanna live, be my best, keep progressing. The less I compare me, the more I'm ascending. It's all what you notice, where you put your focus. One thought at a time, gotta keep it in motion. It's all about it, you gotta trust and stay open. And live like you have everything that you want, and you'll only receive once you let go of me. Cause to really be free is to let go, believe. And passion is purpose, what's under your surface. Cause I got a furnace that's burning and burning. I'm down for the work, when I give, I keep burning. It's always returning, and I'm always learning. It's time to let go of your past and move on. Listen again and again to this song. Yeah, I get what I want, I get what I see. I picture my life and how it's gonna be. Yeah, I get what I want, I get what I need. I know that I'm right where I'm destined to be. Yeah, I get what I want, I get what I see. I picture my life and how it's gonna be. Yeah, I get what I want, I get what I need. I know that I'm right where I'm destined to be. We used to be kids, now I feel so grown. I miss being free to be me, not alone. I used to have friends, but we don't talk anymore. I guess that's on me, I got busy. I used to drink soda, now I switched to whiskey. I didn't want time to pass, but time is fast. I just wish you were more than memories. I got kids now, but I'm a kid now. I haven't grown in my mind, just my skin now. I don't get taxes, I hate chores, I hate mail, bills, and miss the outdoors. I feel like the air used to smell different. The grass was greener in the summers were for swimming. I used to play baseball every inning. Now I work for a living. podcasts and hear less music. My brain feels different and I don't wanna lose it. I try to stay healthy but I'm tired all the time, cause there's too much on my mind. Got into meditation, just try to be more patient. Find a passion, a purpose, a reason to keep chasing all the dreams that I had when I was a little kid. Whatever happened to those dreams, man, there's something that I miss. Maybe I should do this, I always love music. Maybe I could find a way to make these dreams lucid. I really wanna try, cause I might have a chance before I die to see the world with the soulmate by my side. Yeah, that would be the life, not a fucking 9 to 5. I wanna feel alive for a minute at a time. Let the kid out that's been stuck, captive on the inside. Who had dreams, big things were gonna come from his life.
Can you hear me calling? Am I wasting time? I can hear the echoes left with no reply. Can you hear me calling? Left inside my mind. Focus on fire now that I'm
340 to 245 on Forum Drive in Chamberlain Hill.
All our prayers have been answered well. Hello.
I don't want to know.
Franklin!
What the fuck? I mean, what the hell going on here?
Wait a minute. Franklin, what are you doing here?
I live here. This half my house, too.
So you say? Anyway, Magenta is reinvigorating my femininity. So make yourself scarce. Boy, go. Go.
With pleasure.
Go.
Goodness.
And stay out of trouble.
Yeah.
I bet you ain't no more of a man than me.
I hear that.
Gangster shit, nigga. Look who's bizarre.
What's up,
What's happening
fool?
with it, man?
Oh, no. Show some respect here, nigga. The man, they couldn't hold down his back. Come on now.
Damn, man. I gotta spend my day with another middle-aged fool trying to recapture his youth.
What this fool just say?
I missed you, dawg.
Oh, you miss me, huh?
Nah, I ain't missed you. Your ass could have stayed gone for good. So I fucked your girl, mugged your moms, and better yet, I ain't thought about your ass in years.
Ha ha. You got jokes now, huh? Hey, but I see me. Shit. Let's go to the gun store.
Shit, ho. You gonna drop all that bread on that gear, you might as well get a haircut, too.
Fucking crazy-haired microphone motherfucker.
Hey man, listen up closely. I know lately you're a bit lonely, but you know on your phone there's a whole world full of girls you could be looking at, homie. It's true, between me and you, it's only $5 and watch what they do. Let's get high, lose track of time. Come on man, you know I'm a damn good time. Yo, if they're gonna post it, no clothing, oh my god, so exposed and everything. You might as well see everything. Every inch, never leave, we're growing need. Wait, maybe you should DM, be friends, pretend, the boyfriend, the deep end. She needs men, she needs you and your twos. Get out of my head, get out of my mind. I need to focus, I'm wasting my time. You make me feel hopeless, I'm wasting my prime. Fuck it, I'm going to war with my mind. I'm in control, my body and soul. Never again will you ever take hold. I've got a purpose outside of this hole, and I'll turn this feeling into something more. I could change, rearrange my brain. Thoughts and energy push through pain. Loneliness is a passing phase. A better life, it starts today. What's hopeless and broken, I'm in motion. Just gotta stay focused. Keep moving, keep growing. Never look back, got a new path chosen.
Ammunition. Armor to the stars. Hey, what's up, man? Firing range is in the back. All our weapons are oh, hell yeah. We don't man. Just straight up artillery, man. All right? Hey, you got that? On the flat on?
I'm thinking you seen it, but ain't no thing backpack. Take this cheese for
The fuck am I the only one buying it? We got shit, homie. Now shut the fuck up and come on.
Man, we got some recycling to do. Come on, man. Send our friends in La Puerta.
Hey man, where'd where'd you go? We used to have fun, hang out and smoke. Watch a little you know what a show. Drink a little bit of this, little that to cope. Yeah, wait, we used to have fun, right? Sleep in short days, but the long nights. You always love to go play, what a fun guy. But now you seem so lame, what a shame, right? Hey, come back, let's get high. We can have another run at the good times. We can have a little fun, just recline, need time, hit another wheel, you'll be just fine. Yeah, you know I'm always here for you. Life gets hard, there's a lot of fear for you. You know I can make it all disappear for you. Only one time you'll be fine, man, I'll cheer for you. I don't wanna get back to a place that I really don't like, so I really gotta go. All the thoughts in the back of my mind, they make it right now when the dark takes hold. Gotta make my way to the light, feeling better inside every time I say no. I'm emotion, I'm chosen, different path, coming back from the out of control. I'm back, baby, back, never no drag, taking back everything I lack, nigga, feel like me, I'm back, crazy. Took all that pain, put that energy to change. I will never be the same, I will never be the same.
Some real talk.
Bullshit, man. It's realer than this crap.
All of our foes to keep us hopeless. Now my mind's in chokers, but I'm in control. I'm taking
got that shit, nigga, with a paper ass. Nigga, I'm talking about buku bills.
More dates. What's up, boy? Everything cool? Let's go, man. What the fuck, man? You was just kidnapping
Gotta
this
stay
nigga.
locked in, goggin'. Gotta ball out like ramen. Straight to the top, I'm all in. Ordinary beast like a toxin. I don't wanna be like Robin. I just wanna lean on watching. Fuck caution, I ain't gonna be common. I got the confidence, I got mine and shit. Like I'm the baddest bitch in the club. I'm here for dominance, I'm being honest. That's what I want, I'll never give up. I want the whole place sold out. My name in every mouth. You know I'm after this shit. Till the world say my motherfucking name. Say my motherfucking name. Say my after this shit. Till the world say my motherfucking name.
I said, lady, you got problems. You ain't no bullshit. I can see that.
You know I'm after this shit. Till the world say my motherfucking name.
Driven by fire, driven by fear, never get tired, no I'm still here. Fell to the cracks, now I'm 15 years, 10 years into my moments here. Waited my turn, now I'm hot in demand. Slept on a kid, but I had bigger plans. Stayed low key, but I still hit drive. Give me one shot and I'm covering no line. Names on the last second, taste it. Gunning for the top, no limitations. From the basement, no hesitation. Flipping on my L's, no straight motivation. Ain't no quitter, I'm built for the grind. Pressure makes time, so I'm gonna shine. One more shot, get one more time. Driven affection, we locked in our prime. Lacing my gloves, been fighting for years. Faced all my demons, I face all my fears. Every hit is a look in the mirror, my vision's alive in the mission. Say my name, say it loud, every star I wear the crown. Every word coming out my mouth has got me here where I'm standing now. I just want the prize, don't play, don't break. Move with a purpose, don't be fake. Can't play me, only gotta play me. When you like me, there's only one way. Straight to the top, oh gas, don't break. Straight to the top, there's no gotta stay.
You know I'm after this shit. Till the world say my motherfucking name. Say my
Man, ain't hard for you, all.
Say my name.
You knew better, bitch.
Say my motherfucking name.
Fuck all these ways.
You know I'm after this shit. Till the world say my motherfucking name.
Falling down the stairs, fool. They was the same shit. Blood got spilled all over the place.
Say my motherfucking name. Say my. You know I'm after this shit. Till the world say my motherfucking name. You know I'm after
This
this
Chamberlain
shit.
gangster
Till the world
family's
say
here.
my motherfucking name. Say my motherfucking name. Say my. You know I'm after this shit. Till the world say my motherfucking name. Say my name. Say my motherfucking name. You know I'm after this shit. Till the world say my motherfucking name. You know I'm after this shit. Till the world say my motherfucking name. this shit till the world say my motherfucking name. Say my name.
Hey, here's the egg.
Say my motherfucking name. You know I'm after this shit till the world say my motherfucking name.
You ready to get out of here?
Say my name.
Hey, one time.
Say my motherfucking name. You know I'm after this shit till the world say my motherfucking name.
Driven by fire, driven by fear, never get tired, no I'm still here. Fell to the cracks, now I'm shifting gears. 10 years into my moments here, waiting my turn, now I'm hot in demand. Slept on a kid, but I had bigger plans. Stay low key, but still hit dry. Give me one shot, now I'm coming alive. Based on the expectation, gonna fix the top, no limitations. From basement, no hesitation, flipping on my ass and straight invasion. Ain't no quitter, I'm built for the grind. Pressure makes diamonds, so I'm gonna shine. One more shot, get one more time. Driven affection, we locked in our prime. Lace on my gloves, been fighting for years. Face on my demons, I face on my fears. Look every hit as I look in the mirror, my vision's alive and the mission is clear. Say my name, say it loud. Every scar, I wear them proud. Every word coming out my mouth has got me here where I'm standing now. Eyes on the prize, don't blink, don't break. Move with a purpose, don't be fake. Don't play B, only got to play A. When you build like me, there's only one way. Straight to the top, oh gas, don't break. Yeah, straight to the top, cause no gotta stay.
You know I'm after this shit till the world say my motherfucking name. Say my name. Say my motherfucking name. You know I'm after this shit till the world say my motherfucking name. Say my name. Say my motherfucking name. You know I'm after this shit till the world say my motherfucking name. You know I'm after this shit till the world say my motherfucking name.
We get over this and we good, homie.
Say my name. Say my motherfucking name. You know I'm after this shit till the world say my motherfucking name.
Man, leave us be, motherfucker.
Watch out for the dark side.
Man, you got
Dispatch suspect entered a vehicle. Roger.
This ain't got nothing to do with me, homie.
She was so good, got me straight in the mood. She read that room, she know just what to do. Moving that body, she dancing and shaking, it's making them crazy. She know how to move. She said she's ready to party.
I wasn't here.
Let's
I
get
wasn't
started.
even in this
Tequila
scene.
straight out the bottle. She looks so good when she's sipping a model. I need you. I think this is lost my love. 'Cause everything that we touch is
ugly ass bitch.
I ain't catching this.
now it tastes feels like it goes
I want it inbound. Hey, what the hell you walked me into back there? Shit, man, you the one popped his ass. I did the necessary.
Yeah, thank you for that, dog.
It's all on you, LD. Lanky, dumbass.
Me? Hey, I ain't know the fool was gonna roll on.
If you started something with the ballers, shit, I don't care if you CTF for life, man. You done. Done, you dead. Actually, we ain't CTF for life, cause all that means is we giving you money for nothing. We got our own shit now, homie. Foreign gangster.
Oh, no, he don't mean that, low. F's is talking outside his head.
I'ma reach across lines, alright? Conversate with the purple home.
Yeah, that's a good idea, man. Smart shit.
But if I gotta hang them assholes out for this, the gang comes first.
Oh, it ain't nothing of that, dog. You all diplomatic and shit.
Yeah, he on here fucking diplomatic. That peace talking motherfucker shit still really been weak. No wonder I wanna get out of here. No one's stopping you, little homie.
You get fucking mad. Here we are, man. You gon' hang with your auntie while the men break it off.
Shut the fuck up.
Hell no, nigga. You sounding more and more like a snee-eye itch every day.
Hell yeah.
Nigga, I sound like somebody trying to make some paper and not get killed.
He's a hook ass nigga, I told you.
Nigga, go toss a salad, stretch mark ass bitch.